Hello coffee grinders and welcome. Today we're going to do a quick demonstration of test of this Dienes model 520 Mocha, 1950s, classic 1950s Dienes Mocha grinder. Probably fairly early in the period, so towards the beginning of the period of manufacture. And the reason we can tell this is, firstly, the straight crank. Later models had curved cranks, and that was an innovation, I believe, during the 1950s. Also, the knob is an older style, and this sort of draw knob appears to be an older style. So, a nice looking grinder with some sculptural shaping to the sides, and the test we're going to do today is, as usual, we're going to take a 7-gram serving of coffee. We're going to set the grinder to its finest setting, which means burrs just touching but not labouring, no heavy resistance. There we go, I think that's going to do the trick. And then we're going to grind the 7 grams of coffee. We're going to see how fast the grinder is and how fine the grind is. So we've got about 30 or 32 turns there. Always a few little stragglers. So for me, Dienes grinders of this period do not disappoint. I like them, I think they're good. Let's have a look at the grind. Yeah, nice, fine, powdery grind, ample for anything up to including an espresso maker, and of course slacken the grinder off if you want a coarser grind for cupping, French press, mocha, whatever you like. So there we have it, Dienes 520. Thank you for watching. Feel free to have a look at the links at the end of the video and in the description, and happy grinding.